Hey, welcome back, guys. We got something special in store for the family today. They're going to be trying out some food that me and countless number of people who serve this country have eaten, while deployed, while in training. They get to experience firsthand what I got to eat. These beautiful brown bags called MREs. They're meals ready to eat. I got a pack of 12 and each one's different. There's some that you'd love to get and there's some that you don't. And I've had a few bad ones, and these were a good trading tool. A lot of these had different, you don't know what's in there. A lot of them had like candy, some of them had like Skittles, some of them had M&Ms. You get like pound cake. They were like currency. You would trade for this, someone want that, you trade for this. Pretty much lived off military rations while I was deployed. I was an Air Force guy stationed with an Army unit out of Fort Campbell called the Rations, route clearance guys. So big shout out to them. It was a different experience. Normally, Air Force gets a nice cush deployment, like Kuwait or something like that, but I signed up. I deployed out to Afghanistan in the middle of nowhere, with a bunch of Army guys, doing all their communication stuff. We're gonna try these out. I'll open mine, show you what's in there, how to cook one up, then we're gonna cook one up for everybody and then see what they think of it. I believe one of these counts for like 2,000 calories. So I got the beef strips, savory and savory tomato-based sauce. So this is a cooking bag, the mechanism. It has a heating pad in here where we put the food in here, we heat it. You want to do this in an outside location. There's smoke that expends from this. I'll show you, how to do that here in a second. I got chocolate protein powder. I love like the Gatorade one. They have the Gatorade one. Essentially, you would pour water in here, close it back up, shake it, you drink right out of the bag. Oh, peppermint candy rings. So these are lifesavers. So let's open it up. I love these because there's a whole bunch of them in here. So these are just your regular peppermint lifesavers. Awesome to have in your pockets when you're kind of marching around. This is wheat snack bread. I got peanut butter and blackberry jam, so like peanut butter toast, peanut butter jelly toast. And then this is chocolate pudding. I don't think I've ever had chocolate pudding before, but yeah, this is chocolate pudding. All right, so we're gonna take this outside and show you how to make this. All right, so we have our food pouch here. What we're gonna do is rip the top of this open. We're gonna add our food pouch in. And there's a line here that says do not overfill. We're gonna lay this flat so that this heating pad activates. Generally you would have a canteen. I'm using a bottle of water here. So you fill it to the do not overfill line, just right below that. And we're gonna close it up. So this one's a little bit different. Generally they come in a box and you just put it back in the box, but this is like a hot pocket. So what you do, place it in there. And we're gonna lay it flat. And it's gonna cook like that. You let it sit here for 5 minutes or so, and then it'll start smoking. The bags will start it's starting to expand because that heat is working. The heat pad is activated. It's going to start to expand. All right, so let's open up our wheat snack bread here. Shaped like a bread. So that's the wheat snack bread. I would have loved some jalapeno cheese, but peanut butter and blackberry jam works too. This is a creamy peanut butter. There you have it. Nice, beautiful peanut butter jelly toast. Stale bread. But you get some of that chocolate protein powder to wash it down. Alright, so you fill it up with water, close it, give it a nice shake. So you get nice little protein, chocolate protein shake. Breakfast of Champions. So good. And then for dessert, you got that chocolate pudding. You don't even need a spoon, you just squeeze it out. Look at that. That actually tastes good. That's like the pudding you get in the pudding cups. All right, I think my meal's ready. I'm gonna go get it real quick. All right, we got it out of the package. So this, I would have used the bread to dip it in here and just eat it, but this actually looks pretty decent. Beef cubes. It's good. Babe. For the video.
No, I'll do it for the
No,
video
just
when
try
I'm
it.
mentally
I
prepared.
tried this.
Yeah. Come here. This actually is not bad. Well, we're gonna open CJ's and get hers ready. She got the chili mac. Dang, she got the Twizzlers. Bro, see, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you get like full-size candy. She got Twizzlers. Sometimes you get Skittles or like M&Ms. But yeah, you would trade this if you're not a Twizzlers fan. You would trade this for like a cookie. If you got a cookie, sometimes you get like you give them this with your meal for their meal. You know what I mean? Oh, see, she gets a good one. Lemon poppy seed cake, pound cake. It's the best one. Oh, the teriyaki stick, the Slim Jim. So she got the best one. This is the electrolyte powder, the Gatorade in a bag I was talking about, carbohydrate, orange. So this is the orange flavored Gatorade. And she got crackers. She got crackers. She probably got the jalapeno cheese. So she did get. So this is what you want, jalapeno cheese. Man, you can put this cheese in your meal. Oh man, I'm telling you, she picked the best one. So I'll let her open these, and we'll cook her meal up, see what it looks like. CJ got the best stuff. She got the chili mac, which is cooking. Here, you can grab a plate. She got the U.S. Army certified beef stick, teriyaki beef stick. Jalapeno cheese bread, vegetable crackers. We'll mix her orange powder drink. Nice little orange electrolyte drink there, orange Gatorade. That's that mini Tabasco sauce that you put on everything to make it taste better. Same thing, Tal left in some gum. But these Twizzler nibs, man, I'm telling you, she got lucky. And then, yeah, these meals are generally good. I think they have a shelf life of like 5 years or something. So, all right, CJ's mac and chili mac is ready. There you have it, chili mac. She's right, it does taste like Chef Boyardee. Bam. There you have it, America's finest nutritional meal.
I'm gonna try the coffee. 6 ounces of water. Has 20 calorie non-dairy creamer.
Regular coffee is good.
Tastes like IHOP.
And then I plan on giving, I probably have like 6 more left. We'll probably save a couple.
What was this?
Chocolate protein bar. So I'll probably save a couple, and then I'll give a few out for giveaways when I do the giveaway.
No one may want that.
Yeah, they do.
No, you don't.
You guys would try this. I mean, this is what our military eats. So,
Okay.
yeah, you save this for a rainy day. You never know. Natural disasters. It's good to have a.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So you'll get a couple of these in the giveaway. I'll randomly pick something. So, all right, let's see what the kids think. You know what? That's what Daddy, Grandpa, Great Grandpa, all your cousins ate. Uncles. That's not. Yeah, it's like Chef Boyardee.
I want to eat applesauce.
Yeah. CJ got the best one. Dude. She got the chili mac, she got the crackers, the little beef stick, lemon poppy Twizzlers. Dang, she got everything. I thought mine sounded the best, but I got gypped. See you tomorrow.
Bye.